Welcome back to Full Course Online. In this video, I'll show you how to create custom keyboard shortcuts in Microsoft Word. Custom shortcuts help you work faster by letting you perform commands with just a few key presses. First, open Microsoft Word and either create a new document or open an existing one. Now click on the File menu in the top left corner of the screen. From the File menu, select Options. This opens the Word Options window. In the Word Options window, click on Customize ribbon from the left panel. At the bottom of this screen, look for the Keyboard Shortcuts section and click the Customize button next to it. A new window called Customize Keyboard will appear. This is where you can assign your own keyboard shortcuts. On the left side, you'll see a list of categories, such as Home tab, Insert tab, Review tab, or All commands. Select the category that contains the command you want to create a shortcut for. On the right side, choose the specific command from the list. Now click inside the box labeled Press New Shortcut key. Press the key combination you want to use, such as Ctrl+Alt+B. Word will immediately tell you whether this shortcut is already assigned to another command. Once you're satisfied, click the Assign button. Your custom keyboard shortcut is now saved. Before closing the window, look at the option that says Save Changes In. Choose Normal ... if you want the shortcut to work in all Word documents, or choose the current document if you want it limited to that file only. Click Close, and then click OK to exit Word Options. Now test your shortcut by pressing the keys you assigned. The command should run instantly, saving you time and effort. If you ever want to remove or change a shortcut, return to the Customize Keyboard window, select the shortcut, and click Remove. If this video helped you, like the video, share it, and subscribe to Full Course Online for more Microsoft Word tutorials and complete computer courses. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.